Hi there. Welcome to Squeaky Clean to Lean, the most comprehensive and supported online weight loss, detox, and hormone balancing program available. It's time to really move into what you deserve, what you can envision for yourself, and what you have been wanting to do for years, but just didn't know how to achieve it. You know, when you feel thinner, you have so much more energy and confidence. Imagine jumping out of bed and feeling supercharged, ready to slip on your workout duds and go for a brisk walk or do a quick set of squats or bicep curls. That's right. Imagine wearing those jeans and fitted top without looking down and seeing your belly sticking out. Imagine saying yes to all the adventures you put on hold because it's too hard to do with that extra weight, or you're embarrassed to do it because you don't like the way you look. Imagine giving that special someone that little wink because you're no longer avoiding their hope of getting more intimate. It's time to have more fun. It's time for you to feel energized, focused, and downright sexy, and to enjoy the process and feel secure every step of the way. There's a wonderful group of ladies inside waiting for you, and we support each other every step. You're about to make the most important friendships you've made since grade school. I'm really looking forward to helping you lose all the weight you need while getting healthier and better balanced mentally, physically, and emotionally. We have it all right here in Squeaky Clean to Lean. Scroll down and pick which payment plan suits you best. I'll be waiting for you on the inside.